Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. Today's video is going to focus on equivalent fractions, but we're actually going to use number lines. So all of our number lines are going to start with 0 and end in 1. Okay, so I want you to look at the first number line, and I want you to kind of just bear with me. And I think if I show you a fraction bar on top of a number line, then it kind of just really helps visually see it. So now what you see is well, that's not what I wanted. One space, 2, 3. It stops at 3, so there's 3 shaded out of 6. If you look at the second one and you were to repeat the same process and draw a fraction bar overlapping your number line, it's equivalent because they're both the same, except your total amount is different. And what I mean, it's 1 out of 2. So 1 is your part size and 2 is your part total. Or we also say numerator, denominator. So this is your numerator. This is your denominator. So it's 3 out of 6, and this is 1, out of 2. They are equivalent though. Now, for the next example, I will show you using equivalent fractions. I'll do both. Just stick with me. All right, so let's look at the next one. In the first one, you have 1, 2, 3 spaces, but your dot stops at the first. So in other words, kind of visualize this being shaded 1 out of 3 or 1/3. They are equivalent. It's the same amount of space or the same area. And so this one, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So instead of out of 3, it's out of 6. However, your part size is 2, so it's 2 out of 6. So 1/3 is equivalent to 2/6. So if you have 2/6 as a fraction answer and you want to simplify, well, you would scale down using your greatest common factor. So they're both divisible by 2. Meaning it's the number that can go into both of them evenly without a remainder. So 2 divided by 2 or half of 2 is 1. And 6 divided by 2 or half of 6 is 3. And if you notice, it's the same as the first one. So for this one, I recommend pausing the video, working it out, and then come back and let's compare. All right, guys, hopefully you had a chance. And in this one, it would be 2/3. And then, however, here it's 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 6. And so if you notice 2/3, if you want to go to 4/6, you would scale both by 2, scale up by 2, times 2, times 2. I should have wrote times. A dot means 2. And you multiply both by 2. You end up with 4/6. If you were simplifying, then you would be dividing them both by 2, and you would end up with 2/3. All right, if this video helped, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.